Demystifying Possessive Pronouns, your guide to English grammar. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into a very important part of the English language, possessive pronouns. This is a key topic in understanding how we talk about ownership and possession in English. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently use possessive pronouns in your daily conversations and written English. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show ownership. They help us understand who or what something belongs to. They are similar to possessive adjectives, like my, your, his, her, but the key difference is that possessive pronouns replace the noun, while possessive adjectives modify it. Here's a list of possessive pronouns we use in English. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, plural, theirs. Let's take a look at a few examples. This book is mine. Is that car yours? The choice is hers. Possessive pronouns are used to avoid repeating information that is already clear. We use them instead of repeating the noun. For instance, incorrect. I have my car and you have your car. Correct. I have my car and you have yours. Notice how the possessive pronoun, yours, replaces your car in the correct sentence. One more point to note. Possessive pronouns are always used without an apostrophe. So it's always hers, not hers, or his, not his. Now, let's do some exercises to reinforce your understanding. I'll say a sentence with a noun, and you try to replace it with a possessive pronoun. 1. This is Sarah's apple. 2. That jacket belongs to John. 3. This is our city. 4. Those are the dog's toys. Now, let's review the answers. 1. This apple is hers. 2. That jacket is his. 3. This city is ours. 4. Those toys are theirs. And there you have it. With this guide, you should now have a better understanding of possessive pronouns and how to use them in your English language practice. Remember to keep practicing. The more you use them, the more naturally they will come to you. Thank you for watching, and keep up the great work with your English learning journey.